Hello guys. Today we're going to talk about the my machine so parece to lose the stitch, and this is the bobbin and this is another bobbin. In front you can see, if you can recognize the difference, one is going to be ready to just by pull the bobbin. I can take that all the thread because really is not so, and I already changed needle, checking the tension, checking the thread, how I thread in the machine, I cleaning the machine, I cleaning the feed dogs. There are some videos. Watch if you want to clean in your machine. There are many machines I already maintain, but this case is about in any machine when happen that and it's too loose and you can really sew. I thought also was the needle, change needles, put all kind of needles according for the material, change the thread. I doing and nothing. That not so very well. So it happen in yourself. Come here and look in your bobbin case. This bobbin case is the one working. This one, and it's really not had that like the thread go like that. It's almost in the middle, because that screw is the one you need to fix it in your machine. So you use the screwdriver, and in this case is a little loose. This is how it looks, and this is the position according for the thread I had. It's almost loose, it's not really tight. The one had the machine on, the bobbin case is really tight, and for that it's doing this thing. The leg is the same in the two ones. Just is that says too loose, and I just pull and take the thread. Means it's not so. Okay, now we're going to change and put the other bobbin. If you analyze this bobbin, it's really tight. It's more tight. Looking where is the screw is another position. That means we need to lose a little for working. Okay, this one is the one working better. The one is the position of the, remember you can use adjusting the bobbin case with this if your machine is doing the same situation, like so, but it's too loose. trying with this. And this is permanent. This is no go. So remember, if you're trying tension in the top, if you're trying the threading, all the things, checking in your bobbin how tight is, because it's not working when it's too tight. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you for watch. God bless you, and please continue pray for the world. Bye.